In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to members in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a complex project or just organizing your weekly tasks, assigning tasks to the right people can make all the difference in maintaining productivity and clarity within your team. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we're going to add a new column where we'll specify who is responsible for each task. To do this, navigate to your board in Monday.com. At the far right, you'll see a plus icon next to the last column on your board. You'll want to click this plus icon. Once done, you'll be presented with a variety of options to customize your column. From this menu, select the People column. This type of column is specifically designed to help you assign tasks to team members quickly and effortlessly. It's a valuable tool for any collaborative workflow, making it clear who is taking ownership of each task. After you've added this column, you'll see empty cells appear for each task in your list. This is where you assign the task to a specific individual. Simply click on one of these blank cells and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, choose the person you'd like to assign to the task. It's that simple. Once you've selected a person's name, it will automatically be linked to that task, making it clear to everyone who's responsible for what. Now, you might find that when you click on a cell to assign a task, no names appear in the list. Don't worry, this is usually because you haven't yet added people to your team on Monday.com. To resolve this, go to your Monday Team Manager. You'll need to first add team members to your team on Monday.com. Only then can you assign them to your board. Adding people to your team manager not only allows them to appear in your assignment drop-down, but also grants them access to view and manage their tasks effectively. To do this, invite team members through the team management settings. You can add their emails and assign them roles, ensuring they receive an invitation to join your board. Once they have accepted the invitation, you'll be able to assign tasks directly to them on your newly created People column. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to smoothly allocate tasks to your team members, ensuring that everyone knows what they need to focus on and when it needs to be done. This ability to clearly assign roles promotes accountability, enhances teamwork, and eventually leads to more efficient project management. Thanks for watching, and happy task assigning with Monday.com.